What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is Isaac here to bring you another YouTube video. I got something good for y'all today, man. It is almost Thanksgiving time. It's time to start getting all your Thanksgiving's food and all your desserts and start to grub down on it. Go to everyone's house, grab a plate, and just, go to multiple people's houses and take multiple plates. That's what you do, right? So I'm gonna make a delicious dessert for our Thanksgiving. I know it's not Thanksgiving yet, but when Thanksgiving comes, it'll be ready. I'm gonna be making a lemon pound cake. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. But before I do that, make sure you follow me on social media, subscribe to this channel, give this video a big thumbs up. That way you can stay tuned for more videos like this one. Hit that notification bell, and I'm ready to show you guys. So let's show you what I'm working with. So these are pretty much all of the things that you're going to need. I will make sure I put the ingredients in the description for you guys. This is eggs. Okay, you need about 7 eggs. Okay, you're gonna need some baking powder. This little thing here is like a little flour thing, Got this from Walmart. Looks pretty cool. You have to, stir the cake mix, things here. Now this butter here, it has to be room temperature butter. Okay, so you need at least 3 sticks of butter. You don't want it to be too hard. It needs to be soft. And, you see how I barely touched it and it moved. You need some lemon extract pure. Okay, make sure you get pure lemon extract. You need a whisk. Okay, I got my little cool little bowl. No sour cream in there, just so you guys know. You're going to need some, what is this called? Confectioner's sugar. I guess this is powdered sugar. So you're gonna need some powdered sugar. Okay. Obviously, you're gonna need some measuring sticks. Measuring cups. You're gonna need measuring cups, and you're also going to need the thing to put your cake in. When you make a pound cake, you need one of these. It's not a flat regular cake. Okay, so it's with this design. Okay, when you finish, obviously, when it's done, it's gonna look like this when it's finished. And this is the bowl to put everything in. So let's get started. Oh, I forgot. Can't forget about flour. You've got to have flour because you have to do the cake mix, and you have to flour the pan. So, and oil the pan or grease the pan, so that way it doesn't stick. You don't want the cake to stick to your pan, okay? So you gotta make sure you guys do that. So let's get started. Have my whipping cream in the refrigerator, so that way it was cool. You have to use this as well. Okay guys, so I'm going to do a voiceover. My voice was a little too low. We're gonna put everything in this bowl, the flour and the baking powder, and then we're going to mix that together. So first, we're going to need 3 cups of flour. Then we're going to use 1 teaspoon of baking powder, not a tablespoon, a teaspoon. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in this little grinder thing that I got from Walmart and grind up all the flour. Once I've added the baking powder, I'm going to go ahead and put it back in the grinder and do it again. So now in a different bowl, I got my 3 sticks of butter already with sugar. I'm going to go ahead and start to stir that up, and then I'm going to add my 7 eggs. Now I decided to do them separately instead of at the same time. You can do it however you choose to do it. That's just my way that I prefer to do it. Now I have my lemon extract. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon and I'm going to pour it into the mixture. Now we are ready to add the flour and baking powder to our mixture. And I'm going to use the machine to blend everything all together. Next, you're going to go ahead and start to add your whipped cream after you've already mixed the flour and the baking powder. And then you can add it all at the same time, or you can add it separately like I did. It's up to you. Now, I went ahead and greased and floured the pan. So now you can go ahead and pour everything into it. Now, what you want to do is pour everything in a circular motion. That way you can have everything even and one side of your cake won't be bigger than the other side. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the cake into the top shelf of the oven, and then you want to preheat the oven. You don't want to preheat it before. You want to put the cake in first and then turn the oven on. And I'm going to put it to 375. Everybody's oven is different, so it varies. Now it is time to take out the cake. And look at that. And since it's ready, you can go ahead and transfer it over to your cake plate. It's best to let the cake cool, so during that time, I'm getting ready to make the glaze. So you need 1 cup of powdered sugar, and you can go ahead and put that into the bowl right now. Now you can add your lemon juice. You can use regular lemons, or you can use artificial lemon juice like I have still lemon juice, but some people prefer. I'm going to do 3 tablespoons. Once that is done, you can go ahead and start to mix it until it gets really thick. The cake is cooled off now, so I'm going to go ahead and transfer it over to the plate. But like I did earlier, I greased the pan and floured the pan so it shouldn't stick. If you do like that, you should have no problems. And now you can get ready to add the glaze to your cake. You can go around in a circle, you can do however you like. I prefer to go around in a circle, that way you can get the whole cake full with enough glaze. If you need to make more, you can. Don't forget to get some in the middle. And there you have it, delicious lemon pound cake, just for you. And that, my friends, is how you make delicious pound cake, lemon pound cake with special glaze sauce. Make sure you guys follow this video. I will make sure that I put the ingredients in the description for you guys down below, so that way if you want to make this cake, you can make it yourself. I added a little bit more glaze to it to kind of give it extra flavor because it needed some. Well, I don't know. I didn't taste it yet, but I think it needed a little bit more than what I put on there. You always can work around your own ingredients however you like to do. It's up to you. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit that post notification bell so that way you guys can stay up to date with more videos that I will post. Make sure you follow me on social media. Don't forget to hit that big subscribe button down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.